Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm back in fabulous Las Vegas, tying up some loose ends here on my hotels and casinos off the Las Vegas Strip. Today we're going to show you two. It's going to be the D Hotel and Casino, which is on the Fremont Street Experience, as well as we'll head a little bit further south, almost on the Strip, but not quite, Palace Station Hotel and Casino, which is just up the street from the Strat. So what do you say we check out these two off-strip properties and see what's going on inside, shall we? The D Las Vegas Casino Hotel, formerly known as Fitzgerald, is a 34-story, 639-room hotel and casino right on Fremont Street. It's owned and operated by Derek and Greg Stevens. They also own the, the Golden Gate up the street, as well as Circa, one of the newer hotels downtown. I stopped in American Coney Island Chili Dogs a couple years ago. That video is available here on the New York channel for some, you guessed it, chili dogs. They were pretty good. Speaking of my videos, a couple milestones this weekend. We hit over 1,300 videos on this channel and over 10,000 subscribers, and I owe it all to you guys. Thank you so much for loyally watching the videos. I really appreciate everything you guys do for this channel. Thank you so much. Also, the channel's quickly approaching 3 million views. Way to go. This is the Long Bar. Used to be the longest bar in Nevada, but then the Stevens brothers opened up Circa up the street and made an even longer mega bar. Hold on tight. The Stevens brothers completed a $22 million renovation and rebranding to become the D Las Vegas in fall of 2012. The letter D stands for downtown. It also refers to Derek Stevens' nickname and the Stevens' hometown of Detroit. The remodel gave the property a more modern feel, including the addition of dancing dealers on the table games. You don't get that at the Palazzo, folks. And the second floor casino has a vintage Vegas theme featuring the only operational Sigma Derby game in Las Vegas. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Heading towards Palace Station now, another locals hotel and casino, just up the road a bit from the Strat on Sahara Avenue, which is what I'm on right now. So let's check out Palace Station, shall we? If you look straight ahead and a little bit to the left, you'll see the Strat, and that's where the Strip is. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. And once again, a shout out to Richard Hales, who gave me a super thanks on my latest New York video, congratulating me on 10,000 subscribers. Thanks again, Richard. I appreciate your support of the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.